So this just arrived today. This is the galvanized elevated bed from Gardner Supply. And I am really excited to try this because it is self-watering, which here in Tucson, we absolutely need that. So I'm gonna go take it to where we need to set it up. Problem is well, I could lift it, but it's really heavy. So what I'm gonna say is get some help. So Jack's gonna give me a hand and we're gonna carry this around back to where we're gonna set it up. So Jack, can you give me a hand? All right, so let's carry this. We finally have it where we want to set it up, and so we're just going to open this up. Jack always carries a knife, so he's going to open it up, and let's see what this galvanized bed looks like. It should look very much like that one right next to it. We've been growing out of that box for that planter for a year now. So I'm hoping that this one's going to be just as good. All right. Hey, that's good. They've got corners on the packaging, so it's not going to get the corners damaged. That's a nice thing. And lots of styrofoam. Oh, I hate styrofoam. Okay. So there's a, let's see. We've got instructions. Always read the instructions. And then let's have a look. All right, well, I guess these are the panels that must go in the bottom for the self-watering trays, the water reservoir trays. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are the fill tubes. Hey, that's pretty good. So these are the tubes you would use to put water into it. So does that fit together?
Yeah.
Oh, this is good. It's got an indicator in it as well, so you can see when there's enough water in it. These are pretty sturdy. They're pretty tough material. Okay, what else? Oh, this must be the side panels. Well, that's good. One of the things I like about it is it looks like it's got wood along the edges, but it doesn't. That's metal that's been painted, and you can see on that one over there, after a year in the Tucson sun, it's still looking pretty good. So, all right, so we get some panels for the, and these would be the end panels, all right. And another side. And these, if I remember putting the other one together, these are pretty good because they just kind of slide together, lock together, so it's really easy. All right, the legs. And then, okay, 4 legs. And then we have, that's heavy, that must be hardware. So a whole bunch of little bags with various hardware pieces in, so don't throw that out. And then we have, oh God, yeah, these, they're like, I don't know, they're like giant tampons. I mean, really, but that's what goes inside to wick the moisture out. So don't throw these away. These are not extra padding for the stuff in the box. And then that must be the bottom, I guess, right? Yeah, that must be the bottom. Wow, that's pretty sturdy. You can see it's welded together. So, and that's it. That's the end of the box. So, all right, whole bunch of stuff coming out of this box, and we're going to put it all together. We're going to show you how that works, and then stay tuned for our review.